Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Awadh Milasi from Tanzania. I'm going to present to you my brilliant idea called Mobile Digital Library and Cyber Center. What you see on the screen is the digital divide between the development in ICT in the developed countries and in my country, Tanzania, where we have schools but no libraries. Now, my project is trying to solve the problem of libraries, because when you try to look at the investment that you can make in establishing fixed libraries is quite harder than establishing digital libraries. And this is the process that you're seeing on the screen. My project will digitalize all the books, few books that we have in my country, into e-books, and also establish internet that can be embedded in this bus that you're seeing there, that can be movable, that can serve, say, one bus can serve at least 10 schools. That is quite affordable and cost-effective. I'll show you how. And these are the people that will be served. In my country, at least 80% of the population lives in the rural area. And so this project will serve the people in the rural area, at least 80%. And also, this bus is going to be a sort of information center that can be used by the NGOs and the public, because we also have other problems like HIV that need advocacy and awareness. So you can just imagine what sort of innovative idea that can save many people. For me, if I happen to win 8,500 Swiss francs, I will use that for a pilot project. And I'm running a non-for-profit organization in Tanzania called Youth for Africa, the logo you see down there, which has several partners: USAID, Uruwan, the leading telecom in Tanzania, Swiss Contact Foundation, and UNFPA, the UN agency. Now you can just imagine what sort of sustainable future this project can have if I can happen to win that money. And this is why this project must happen. This project, by estimates, is 60% cheaper in investment than if we establish fixed libraries. Also, it will be powered by solar energy, which will result into green earth. And also, let me remind you one thing. All the MDGs have to be attained by 2015. Now, this is the time. We must educate people. We must build capacities in our people for us to advance in the Millennium Development Goals. For me to have success in this plan, this is my winning plan. This is my win-win plan. I have 3 goals. 1, I'll create a very great management in the project. 2, I'll make sure always funding is there through the partners that I have in my organization. And 3, which is very unique, I'll make sure that I have public-private sector partnership in my project. I want everyone to be a stakeholder and a partner in this project. And this is how financially this project can be sustainable. I'm going to have on the right of the screen the public sector, together with the private sector, coming together to solicit the resources to make sure that this project will bring about fruitful impact to the society. This is possible. This is possible to have well-qualified doctors in Africa. It's possible to have well-qualified teachers and engineers in Africa. It's possible to have not only graduated, but also well-qualified people and professionals in Africa. And this must happen. You can just imagine if we can have enough professionals in Africa, what sort of advancement in development we can have. So I'm calling upon you to join the hand, because I'm the right person. By profession, I'm a computer science expert, and also I've studied project management. So for those 2 qualifications, I'm the right person to run this project, because I know the technical part of it, and I know how to manage the resources. And what drives me most is because I understand the cost of doing this now is quite cheaper than cost of not doing now. We must educate people now. And time is now. We should work together. If we come together, we can make a very brighter future for tomorrow. Thank you very much for listening.